All right, this is the introduction to Pre-Calculus 20 and or Foundations 30 if you're taking either of those courses from me. If you're taking Pre-Calculus 20, there's your textbook, and if you're taking Foundations 30, there's your textbook. So the plan is to start each unit with a pre-unit diagnostic assignment. So that's just the things that you need to know in order to find success in that unit, things that you should already know, I guess. You'll be doing the individual lessons via video and YouTube. And there will be note packages for each unit available in class and online if you go to my blog. And my blog is mathwithmrcumming.blogspot.ca. There'll always be a practice exam, and then one class to review your practice exam and take up any other questions. And finally, we're going to end off with a unit exam. Now, if those don't go so well for you, there's always the option to rewrite the unit exams, but you do need to consult me first. So both Foundations 30 and Pre-Calc 20 are offered with the flipped classroom, and here are the expectations for those courses. That the students watch the video prior to coming to class and fill in the notes that are given to you. Come to class ready to work on the assignment, including any questions you may have about the topics, concepts, or examples covered in the video. And to stay caught up with the pace of the course, you may have to make an adjustment to your daily routine to give academics a more prominent role if you're expecting to go on to post-secondary schooling, which you should be if you're taking these two courses. Here are some of what I think are the benefits from the flipped classroom. The lessons are always available, whether you miss a class or you need to review for the exam or a final. The time spent in class is for you to work. It's hard to do homework when you don't understand the concepts, so you might still need to do work at home, but for the most part, all the work that you'll be doing should be done in class with me. And it also helps you develop independent learning, something that aspiring university students definitely need. So if we're looking at the time commitment for these classes, most videos will be between 10 to 20 minutes, which means about 30 to 45 minutes per night in watching the video and completing the notes that I give you. Keeping an eye on the timeline in the classroom and on my blog will also let you know when we have work classes, practice exams, tests, etc., which means there'll be no video to watch the previous night. And it's also important to note that this is about the same amount of time that I and other math teachers out there would have expected for a normal course like this. That would be a course required for university classes. So learning via the flipped classroom is not learning by yourself. Rather, it's encouraging you to become proactive in your learning, as well as giving you actually more access to me during class time and giving you a bit more responsibility for your own learning, hopefully resulting in the development of skills that will be helpful in your post-secondary courses. And that being said, I'm welcoming you to the flipped classroom. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in class.